Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. In this video, we will see how to fix or we'll see why your iPhone is answering calls, incoming calls automatically on its own while you are wearing a AirPods on your iPhone. Yes, one of my colleague told me that whenever he is wearing a AirPods and if the incoming call comes on his iPhone, that time that call is answered automatically on its own. So in this video, we will see why it is happening, if it is an issue or a feature, then how to stop it. So guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. If you're new here, one request, please like the video and subscribe. Now getting back to the video. So guys, here there are two things. First of all, it might be the glitch or issue. So guys, first of all, if you installed new iOS 18 on your iPhone and if you're using your AirPods Pro 2nd generation with you, then there is a new feature called head gestures, which allows you to answer the calls automatically just by nodding your head up and down. Yes, it's a new feature in this update. So guys, do one thing. Okay, open your AirPods first and after that go to your iPhone settings here. If you go to settings, you'll see your AirPods option given here. Go ahead and open your AirPods Pro options. Go to settings and here scroll down and there is an option called head gestures in settings. Okay, just go ahead and open that. If it is enabled, and here if you see, to answer the call, just need to nod your head up and down. So if on your iPhone the head gestures is enabled, and if you by mistake whenever the call comes and by mistake if you nod your head, that time automatically the call gets answered on your iPhone. So make sure that it is disabled and try again on your iPhone. That's the one thing. And second thing, you can try that in settings in your iPhone, there is an option called automatic call answer, where your iPhone will answer the call automatically on its own. For that, do one thing, go to your settings. In setting, go to accessibility and here open touch. And in touch option, there is an option called call audio routing. Open that. Once you open that, and there is an option called auto answer call, and make sure that it is disabled on your iPhone. If by mistake it is enabled, that means that any call coming to your iPhone answered automatically. So make sure that these two settings are disabled on your iPhone and you can try. And if the issue is still happening, then just reboot your iPhone, try again, or it might be the glitch. Wait for a next update or some days, automatically it will get fixed. So guys, I hope it helped you. I hope this solved your query. And if yes, one request, please support by giving a like and giving a subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.